takes the shot, scoring the winning goal right at the buzzer. What an incredible play.
To fix the app, go to Settings, open Apps, select YouTube TV and tap Storage. Then, clear the cache and app data.